The ability to control heavy machinery is always fascinating to witness. Without precision and unconventional methods, it would be impossible for an operator to manage an excavator so efficiently. Watch how these operators handle excavators in unpredictable and tense situations. Something amazing is happening here. Normally, an excavator operates on land, but here it's being used underwater. Of course, the excavator has been specially configured for this, and the operator is highly trained, enabling them to use this heavy machinery effectively. This specialized excavator is generally designed to operate in aquatic environments or wetland areas which are full of challenges. The use of this specialized excavator, also known as an amphibious excavator, is known for its ability to operate on solid ground, in swampy areas, and underwater. It is typically used to extract specific materials or install special drainage systems. This time, we are seeing an excavator that appears to have undergone modifications, performing its task of digging soil in a relatively narrow and steep area. With smart and efficient handling, this kind of technique can only be successfully carried out by someone experienced in operating an excavator. In hard-to-reach, slippery, and muddy areas, this excavator has shown its surprising capabilities. Despite all the obstacles, this heavy machinery moves with great care to transport the material that needs to be extracted. In such moments, the operator's skills are truly tested because if not handled properly, it could be very dangerous. Fortunately, this excavator managed to complete its task successfully. In the construction of roads in mountainous areas, the likelihood of using heavy machinery becomes greater. One of the most essential pieces of equipment in this context is the excavator. For instance, when this excavator is deployed to remove heavy rock materials from a hillside that obstructs the proposed road path, it demonstrates its value. With its advanced features and the operator's skill, the excavator can easily accomplish its task, clearing the materials from the hill and leveling the area. This land clearing process is also exemplified by the Kobelco excavator. When a hilly area needs to be leveled, trees and rocks must obviously be removed. Using an excavator makes the job faster and easier, resulting in significantly better outcomes than manual clearing, which would take a lot of time. One of the most fascinating things to observe is how heavy machinery performs such impressive feats. This is an accurate way to describe the situation of an operator and the excavator at work here. The machine is in an area filled with massive rocks. Of course, the operator is no amateur. It's evident that they are highly experienced in handling such large machinery. Operating an excavator, especially in rocky or hazardous areas like this, requires top-tier skills. The challenge of operating an excavator is showcased here once again. On one occasion, an excavator was attempting to remove a large rock from an area that was being leveled. However, this task was far from easy. It resembled a tense battle between the excavator and the massive boulder. Since the rock wouldn't fall as expected, the operator decided to clear the surrounding dirt first. Only after that was the large rock able to tumble and roll in the right direction. This was an impressive combination of human skill and the sophistication of heavy machinery. The operator's expertise with the excavator is demonstrated once again here. The machine is not only useful for working in open spaces, but also in urban areas, like when demolishing a building. In this case, the building was once a convenience store, but for reasons unknown, perhaps it was no longer needed or was to be replaced, it had to be torn down. Thanks to the heavy equipment, the demolition went smoothly without any significant obstacles. Large buildings also often require excavators for demolition. It doesn't take long to bring down a large structure with the help of this powerful machine, as everything moves quickly once the excavator is at work. One key challenge for an excavator is navigating through unexpected or particularly difficult areas, such as rugged and heavy construction sites. In such instances, the excavator might have to move across connected planks at a nerve-wracking height while the operator stays focused on their task. Without extraordinary skills and extreme precision, it would be nearly impossible for a heavy machine to remain stable in such dangerous situations. The operator's coordination and control are vital in such a scenario. In a mountainous area filled with steep cliffs, an excavator was deployed to assist in a major ongoing project. Usually, efforts like this are made when the area is intended to become farmland or a future road. Excavating unnecessary materials in such challenging conditions would not be possible without the role of the operator controlling the excavator. From here, it's clear to everyone just how crucial it is to be skilled in operating heavy machinery, especially given the large size of the equipment. However, the operator is certainly no ordinary person, so handling such a giant machine in a tough terrain isn't something to fear. Truly impressive! An excavator operator not only needs to be adept at dealing with unexpected situations, but also must be able to withstand all types of weather. For instance, when clearing snow during winter. The excavator is considered a versatile piece of heavy equipment. It can be used for various purposes, one of which is removing snow that has piled up too thickly. It is widely known that large snow piles in certain areas can be hazardous, which is why there are measures to address this problem, such as using an excavator to clear the disruptive and potentially dangerous snow. Amid all the successes accomplished by the excavator, it is undeniable that failures also occur frequently. Situations like these can indeed be hard to avoid due to various factors, such as negligence and lack of precision from the operators. For instance, consider this particular incident. An excavator and several workers were seen at a large project site. Unfortunately, they couldn't avoid an accident when the excavator, which was supposed to assist and simplify their tasks, tipped over and fell into a hole. The cable that had been suspending the excavator from a significant height snapped and was unable to support the massive machine's weight. The incident unfolded quickly and was incredibly tense. Extreme caution must be taken when operating heavy machinery in mountainous areas. One of the most terrifying aspects of a workplace accident is the loss of life, as occurred in this case. On a steep mountainside, the excavator seemingly lost its balance, leading to its eventual fall. After the excavator crashed, clouds of dust filled the air, obscuring visibility, a clear indication of a hard fall from a great height. Such incidents could undoubtedly be avoided if the operator had better control of the excavator, did not rush in making decisions, and fully understood the area in which they were working.